The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
And good morning, fellas. Jim, Rich, Chad, guys, good morning. Can I get a sound and visual check, please? Perfect. Guys, good morning. I apologize about yesterday. Right after the market opened, I guess maybe 5 minutes, we lost power up here. I apologize, and power came back on, I guess, about 10:20. And GoToWebinar would not let me back in the webinar. Thanks, Rich. So in any event, I apologize about yesterday. If anybody was unaware, I did ask Dean. I texted Dean and asked him to post it in Skype that my power had gone out. That's it, Mark. That's it, brother. Yep, got to pay the bill. Morning, Albert. Got to pay the bill. In any event, we're back at it. Today is Wednesday, February 2nd. Being that it's Wednesday, I am not running my crude robot. If you guys are newer to the bot, last Wednesday it was a terrific trade with the bot, but historically, crude does not trade well on Wednesday. So do as you see fit. We have had one bot trade today, a NASDAQ long at 639. It has gone to all three targets. That is the only bot trade of the morning. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Just moving some charts around, fellas. Bear with me 1 second. All right. In any event, guys, it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. We'll get after them momentarily. Currently, markets are up. I had to redo my all right, let's take a look, see what we've got. NASDAQ, 91,000 contracts have traded, 2,200 net buyers. I would expect a pullback here. I think we can come down to 21. The UK is scrambling fighter jets to intercept an as yet unidentified aircraft. Here's the ES, 147,000 contracts have traded. We do have net buying. And gold still continues to be a little bit low on the volume. 35,000 contracts have traded in gold, small net buying. We do have an unfinished auction here at 04. We also have one down here at 99.9. Sheesh, 95.4. Bunch of unfinished auctions in gold. Crude, decent volume again. We have not gotten to $90 yet, but I think that's a foregone conclusion. 3,900 net buyers. Good morning and blessings to you as well, Becky. Chris, good morning. Good morning, Dan. Guys, again, I apologize if you're joining us late. I did lose power yesterday. $21 would be my target on NASDAQ short, 21. Just taking a look around here real quick. I'll show you. I turned it off for the news. You'd have another winner on NASDAQ. Same with gold. Gold would have taken a trade. I have it off for news. Again, I will not be running crude today. Morning, Dave. Anybody short the NASDAQ, fellas? 21 was target one. You've got it. I would now target 208. 208 if you're short NASDAQ. We could come 178. Again, I don't do anything with news, so I'll tell you where I think NASDAQ is coming. Yeesh. We could come a long ways, fellas. We could come back to 981. I doubt it. I don't think so. Maybe 127. Even that would shock me. Still looking for 4650 on the ES. I think now it's just, Nick, my opinion, it's going to be earnings driven. I'm surprised to see Facebook up almost 4%. Boy, AMD. Nvidia's up $13. $194 next target. 194, 190, 185 down to 170. Those are your targets on NASDAQ, anyone that's short. There's VWAP. That turned into a better trade than I thought it would. Nah, no, we don't have any 8:30 news. That was the news 8:15. Canada. $170 might be an interesting, somewhere between 170 and 180 might be interesting. See what the 30 years doing. Nothing. Inside candle on the daily. I think if you guys trade the 30-year, it's going to have to get below 14. I think you can probably short 14, maybe 13. Let me just take a look at this, guys. What's the low? The low is 7 on CB. Gold still trading up into that resistance on the 240. So first target only there. NASDAQ's going to come down at the open, fellas. And the ES is in a short, has not gone to first target yet. Morning, Jeff. Remember at 11, I will go over all of these. Apple and Tesla are red, huh? Let me take a look. Apple's down 5 cents. Tesla's off a quarter. Look at PayPal. Down 30, almost $34. 19%. Yes. The ES is short. Shorted at 915. Nice job, Ray. There's NASDAQ. I wish I'd have known that a while back. I'd have bought puts. All righty, fellas. We still have about 9 minutes. We're down to just under 800 buyers now in the NASDAQ. Based on what I'm seeing at the open, you may be happy about that. Yeah, I mean, we could come back to 45.54, but it looks like we're going to bounce to 64 first. Anybody have any questions, guys, before we go? Target one filled. NASDAQ shorts, guys. It's a blowout. We're going to go negative delta momentarily. Below 109, we come 94, then 75. They're just running stops. Got a break 09, we come 94. May get a bounce here off two standard out on the Russell, two standard deviations. Target one only on RTY. We should get a bounce right around the 100 level. And we're 90 contracts from negative delta. ES on the bot. Target one filled. Target one filled. NASDAQ broke 09, should now come 94. Anybody that's short, 94, next target. Third standard is starting to roll. It looks like we're going to come down on the NASDAQ. I think we come back to 15,000, guys, which is the 200-day moving average. If you're short, anybody that's short, target is 15,020. We are negative delta. YM's getting a bounce. Let me see what the heck the YM. Yeah, I still think YM is going to come down as well. We have another long on the Russell. Can't say I'm digging longs, but NASDAQ could bounce to 127. Russell's going to go to a loss on the bot. We'll cover all the bot trades at 11. ES could bounce back up to 65. Russell might actually be a long. 48, 48.50 if you trade Russell long. Stop is below 43. I'm not touching it, but gold is flat. SPY's bid. Gap up in the SPY. There goes ES on the bounce. Probably back to 65. All right, guys. Let's see what I can do here. Buyers coming back into the NASDAQ off the 21-day moving average. I'm going to try the long on the NASDAQ off the 21-day. 130, 31, 32. Gold went long in the bot. Let's see if we hold this 21 for a bounce. Nah, we're trying. I've got small buyers. All right, I tried the small long. 35. It's got to push up here. First target maybe 61. If it can get through 43, we can get to 61. Through 43, it'll go to 61. There's 42, 40. It hit 43. Yeah, it broke it. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, 61. Let's go, 61 target. 61 target, target one, or as you see fit. Or as you see fit. We got close, no cigar. 58 half, 59 area. We do have buyers back in. Got 57.75. Should get 61. It really should get 65. I'm ahead of that target. Come on, dog. Don't make me flinch. Come on, rat bag. You scumbag. There it is. Hit target. Got it. 61 target. 35 to 61, fellas. Target one is off. Target one is now off. Try to get to 78 next. 68 may be it. And then a failure. We have buyers back in. Everybody good on that, fellas? Everybody good? There's my 68. Target for me, 77. 77 and done. Target filled. All right, guys. Target's filled. Now, easy one's done. Let's see what we can come up with. You're welcome, James. Doing what we do's. Doing what we do's. There's target 1 on the RTY. $78 was our target. Our 77 was our target. And we went to 77.75. How's that for a target? How's that for a target? Got it by 3 ticks. Now I think we come back down, fellas. We're coming back down to 128. 128. Too fast. Second target filled, RTY. See if we can get a third target. There's my 28 target, if anybody managed to catch that. Crude is going to short. It is inventory day. Let me take a look around here, guys. YM long. Target is 427. 427 YM. Yes, I got nothing. It got that 65 target, but I have nothing now. And Russell is in peril. Crude, I have, if I had to take a trade, it's shorts. Maybe with a stop above 89. Target would be potentially 88.14. Gold, nothing. Apple's up 20, Google's up 247 and is booing the smart. All 3 targets hit on Russell. NVIDIA's still up, Amazon's still up. We're starting to get some red though. Let me take a look at SPY. SPY gapped up into the 100, above the 21 into the 100. I'd like to see a gap fill down to 52. SPY. I think you can buy SPY puts back for a gap fill if you want a quick trade. 455 and change right now. I think we get a gap fill. NASDAQ from that 40 level was the short. ES is coming down. Guys, we're in no hurry, right? We got our trade. We're coming lower on the NASDAQ. SPY puts have broken for, if you took the puts, F455. NASDAQ's up 90, ES is up 15, YM's down 22, Russell's down 12. They're blowing Russell out. Tesla's coming down. Watch Tesla for a break below yesterday's low, which was around 90, I don't know, 904, 905. If we break below that 905, Tesla has a gap fill all the way back at 846 to 846. Anybody have any questions? There's my 75 target. NASDAQ to me on the hourlies looks like it wants 995. 15,017, give or take, is the 200-day moving average, which is where I think we trade back to. Negative delta is relatively small. 800 negative delta. Nice job, James. Thank you, brother. YM, my target is 427 today. I think we'll see that. We're getting a pullback in here, but it's not a short. I don't have it as a short. Should trade up near 35.4 anyways, which is the 50-day moving average. You sure you have levels on your levels on, Mimi? Guys, if anybody is short NASDAQ, let me know. Your next target is 53, then 50. Is anybody short NQ? I know you are, Ray. Anybody else short NASDAQ? Nobody. Okay. Guys, we're coming to 15,000. Okay, Gary. Okay, Ozzy. All right, bunch of you guys. It's not more for you. You're going to get yours regardless. We're coming down to 15,017, guys. That's the 200-day moving average. It's going to come back and test the 200-day. Just remember what I'm telling you, 17. Okay, Mark. And probably down into Ludwig level yellow, 15,002. Biden sending 2,000 troops to Europe amid Ukraine tension and stalled talks with Russia. You know, we avoided this war with Russia in the 80s. And now we're going to get in a pissing match with them over the Ukraine? Email Joel. The technical side of it I have nothing to do with. Small negative delta, guys, right now, 1,200. It's nothing. It's infinitesimal. You could buy these on one candle. I'm really waiting on the long, and I guess all of us are. If you're not short, I have no trade, and I'm not selling down here in the hole. So $15,017. Okay, John. 452s. That's your target. 450, 452.90. Call it 453. Oh, okay. February 4th. Yeah, I'm looking at the cues. 65. I've got 65.50 yesterday's close, give or take. Did we hit 17? 26. It's a nice bounce, but it did not come to where I wanted it to come. We bounced yellow on the ES. We should have been long there, I guess. All right, guys. I looked a short. I think we're going to go back to 121. That's the area I'm looking at. Maybe a little higher, 127 for a short. You got about 400 buyers in this 3-minute bar. Guys, we've made money, right? So nobody should be desperate for a trade. Just be patient. I don't have anything up here. I had a level at 17 I would have liked to have seen. This looks like yesterday redo. We're not even 30 minutes into it, and we're pathetically slow. Boy, 30-year got a bid. Another short on RTY. My favorite target. Oh, gold. Gold got target one. RTY hit first target. No, it did not. Yes, it did. No, it did not. This is trade number 4. I'll go over all the trades, guys, at 11 o'clock. Let's see here. Out on RTY. Buyers back in, guys, for the moment. But we're going to trade up into resistance where I'm looking for the short. I'm really wanted to see that 17. That would have been my entry. All right, Mimi, I can't help you with that. Take a screenshot, send it to Joel. I do nothing technical. Come on, NASDAQ, what are you going to do? We're just bouncing around, guys. Not on the Russell. You almost have to take crude long down here. I won't touch it, but inventory in 30 minutes. Yes, Paul. I do not run crude on inventory days. Now, this is what I gave up. All 3 targets. NASDAQ's just hovering. Q's trying to bounce back over VWAP here. Above 68.52. All right, guys, I'm looking to short 31. 31. Yeah, we're not even close. 31. This may be a quick trade. We have buyers. Now gold wants freaking longs. Look at this. I don't know what this is about. Stop is 4.7. Oh, we just missed. There it is. All right. And we're going to go green delta. Come on, it's into resistance here. Let's go. Pull back. I'm on the close button. Come on. Come on, rat bag. Fail. We've got a green delta again, guys. Come on. Fail. Pull back to 17. No, out. I'm out. Small loss. I'm out. I'm out. 4.7 was my stop. Hang on 1 second, guys. Still think it's going to pull back. YM starting to bid again. ES same. ES should get back to 68. Crude inventory in under 30 minutes. I would have been long at 17. That was where I wanted it, but and now it's back to my 31 entry. My stop was 47, and this came to 52. This should come back to 117 and then 104. Should. Thousand troops in Germany will move to Romania. Look, now it's coming down. God, I hate when it does that crap. Another bot trade. Russell trade number 6. This is starting to be reminiscent of a couple weeks ago. We're sitting on the 21-day moving average now. Google's up 219. The high was 3,042. We're at 2,976. Yields are falling. We're going to see 260 again out on the Russell. Fudge. 6 trades, 3 winners, 3 losers. Chopping around today, guys. Chopping around. Now it wants to come back down. I mean, that could be. I mean, look at gold. This is almost untradeable. I believe you. I mean, I'm shocked that it could be Ninja, but never heard that problem before. Guys, this is kind of a ho-hum trade. I don't have nothing to do. Absolutely nothing to do. If we could have gotten that 17 entry, we'd have been done. There's nothing to do here. If I had to take a trade, we're going to trade longs. But I don't have a stop that's adequate. I think you can still take the long if We're going to break above VWAP and we trade to 180. Long NASDAQ. 180 is your target. Son of a gun, you. All right. 167. Guys, this could pull back a lot. I'm long above VWAP. With a positive delta of about 600 contracts, now failing a bit. You're going to have to be patient with this trade. We're going to see 260 again today. If you guys are looking for the quick snap in and out, it ain't happening. It's not happening. You should get to 178, next 15-minute bar in 4 minutes. Now we're down to below 400 net buyers. We were at 600. This is the same slop as yesterday. Same sideways trade as yesterday. We lost all our buyers. 600 down to 30. It's going to go negative delta again, guys, right around VWAP. This is just the same absolute slop garbage as yesterday. Chop, 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 chop. Buyers back in. We have net selling in the candle, but it's decreasing. We should get 185 to 187. It's where it should go. But lost buyers again. Look, sellers back in. Jesus. What a just a all right, guys. I've gone about as far as I'm going to go. I still believe it's longs. I think the selling is over. I'm out. I'm out and done. I'm done. Small. Let's do bot trades. Here's gold. This was off for the news. Trade number 1, winning trade. Trade number 2, losing trade. Trade number 3, winning trade. That's it. 3 trades, 2 winners, and a loser. Crude I did not turn on today. Would have been a massive trade. 1 winner in crude. I'll track the numbers, but I did not turn it on because of inventory. ES, 1 trade, 1 winning trade. First target only for me. It pulled back into the trailing stop. NASDAQ took 2 trades. The first was a nice winner early this morning. The second would have been a very nice winner this afternoon, at 8:15, but I had it off for the news. No more trades. Would have been 2 for 2 today, NASDAQ. Last but not least is Russell. Got first target here. 8 trades, 4 winners, 4 losers. Overall, it's net losing on the day, the bot. I'll show the trades in a second. I'll show the totals in a second. Somewhere around 1,800 down, I'm guessing. Trade number 1, winner. Trade number 2, subsequent signal, loser. Trade number 3, winner. Trade number 4, loser. Trade number 5, winner. Trade number 6, loser. Trade number 7, loser. Trade number 8 is at the moment, first target only winner. And depending on the outcome, here comes NASDAQ back down. 2,600 net sellers. They're going to want to trap the sellers, guys, at some point. Here's where the bot is today, fellas. Down 1522, pending the outcome or conclusion of this Russell trade. Okay? Down day for the bots. It happens, guys. Anybody have any questions? Any questions? Trading picked up significantly once we went to scout mode. Guys, I will see you all tomorrow at 8 a.m. My 1 o'clock group, I will see you guys in a couple hours. If anybody needs me, email me. Be blessed, and I will see every one of you mañana.